now the junkyard's starting to look more like a junkyard. Well, maybe it is a junkyard. It's got rear end over here. Got 4 rear ends over here. Got another one over there. You gotta build a rack. Put it right there. Yeah, more rear ends, just what I need. Built this rack years ago. Here's another 5 rear ends. What do you do with your rear ends? First step, get out all my scrap steel and cut up some pieces. Second step, make sure you put on all your PPE. Third step, pack that junk up like you almost know what you're doing. Fourth step, try to stick it together as if you're experienced at welding. And there it is, all welded together. 6 rears, not scattered all over the ground anymore. What do you do with your rears?